Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Kia key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2021 Kia K5. This is a push to start, all keys are lost. We are connected to the internet. And we will have to enter a PIN code to program this vehicle, the key I mean. 329268. Enter. All right, the minute we click OK, we will have to tap the top portion of the key against the push to start button. Smart key fob not detected. We're going to have to try it again. Same PIN code. This time I'm going to use the corner of the key. Key fob not detected again. That's weird. What the hell's going on? Try it one more time. There we go, succeeded. So I kind of held it there for a good 2 seconds. We do not want to program another one. Test the buttons. Vehicle starts. And that's how you program a Kia K5 2021 or any kind of Kia push to start keys. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.